So this is problem 3. So what we have in this problem, I do have this circuit with the op amp, and I need to find the output voltage. So in the op amp problems, you don't always have to find the gain. Sometimes you have to find the output voltage. Sometimes you may be asked to find the current through one element. So the most important part of the op amp questions is to make sure that first you're using the rules of the op amps and you're comfortable approaching the question for the op amps. Okay. Then we have a current source over here. And this will go here. We have VO, positive and negative. Then we have a 4 volt over here. We have 1 milliamp over here. I have a 2K resistor over here. Okay, so let's see what we have to do. First, I have to figure out what is, so I need to find VO, right? So I need to figure out the rules of the op amp. I need to write them. So go ahead and write them on your circuit so you won't get confused afterwards. So I have point A and point B again. But here at point A and B, I can easily say that VB is equal to 4 volt, right? Because VB, I have a 4 volt between VB and the ground. So VB is equal to 4 volt. Therefore, VA is equal to 4 volts. Right? Then if I want to write the KCL here, I have a current coming here. Then there is no current, so I is equal to 0, which is going into the op amp. I going into the op amp is 0. And then that 1 milliamp, which was here, will go all the way to this point, to this resistor. And then this is point VO. Okay, so that's just I should write a KCL at point A. So let's write a KCL at point A. So at point A, I have 1 milliamp coming into the node A. If you want to just work with whatever you have, like for example, with milliamp or kilo ohm, you may get confused at the end. So please go ahead and, for example, the 1 milliamp is 10 to the negative 3 amps, right? So this current is coming into the node, so that should be equal to the same current is passing through the 2K, right? So that is VA minus VO over 2 multiplied by 10 to the 3. What was VA? VA was 4 volt. We found it as 4 volt. So then we can say that 4 minus VO is equal to 2 multiplied by 10 to the negative 3 multiplied by 10 to the 3, which is equal to 1. It's 10 to the 0 is equal to 1. So from here I can say that VO is equal to 2 volts.